Let him stand up and punch him, Griff.
You know, when I was working out with the trainer at Club Sport, he would make me do a lot of boxing. I loved it. I think that's my thing. Like, it was great. Like, because you have all this stuff, you know, and it's like just to hit something, it's pretty good.
They say. I think every office should have one of those. Punching bag.
Are you sleeping?
It's not like the use of a clown. I guess the other way. Yeah, bottom is weighted. When you knock it down and it comes back up. Yeah, like that.
You could never get away.
Get him, Griff.
Where's your other glove, Lily?
Open the wall door. I can't get a foot.
Oh, you don't see.